What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, and I'm actually here at the title company. I'm actually selling my first property ever. You know, I've acquired 10 multifamily homes to date, but I'm actually selling one of my doubles. Now, why would I sell? Because I'm in the buy and hold business. I'm not fix and flip or anything like that. I'm in the buy and hold business. Why am I selling? Because I'm upgrading all of my doubles into 4 units or commercial properties. Okay, so what's happening here is that the double that I bought has appreciated significantly over the past 2 years, and I haven't done anything to it really. And so I bought it for about $214,000, and now I'm going to be able to sell it for $265,000. So that's like 50K appreciation over 2 years. If you divide that by 24 months, that's an additional $2,000 a month that this property is appreciated, right? This is one of the benefits of real estate. There's the cash flow, there's the appreciation, there's the principal pay down, and there's the tax savings that you get from multifamily real estate, okay? So essentially, when I go in here, I'm actually not going to get a check though. I'm doing what I call, or not what I call, but what is called a 1031 exchange. And with the 1031 exchange, what's going to occur is that that money is not going to hit my pocket. It's going to go into a holding account until I identify another property to put all of that equity into. Okay, that way I do not get taxed on this $50,000 appreciation. In fact, I can just take this, use this tax loophole, and actually take this money and apply it directly to the next property. And guess what? I already have that property established and chosen. Okay, and so I'm already in a purchase agreement with that particular property. And so I'm upgrading this double into a 5 unit building here in New Orleans. Right? I'm trading up. This is the name of the game. We're out here playing Monopoly in real life. Okay, so again, when you are selling a property and you aren't trying to pocket that money, again, I'm not fix and flip. I'm buy and hold, but I'm buying and holding it. And I'm trading up into a property that's going to have a greater yield for me in terms of the cash on cash return, and a greater yield in terms of how much positive cash flow I get from that property every single month. Okay, so the double was yielding, I think, about in between $500 to $600 a month in positive cash flow. And now this fiveplex, based on the numbers that I've run, is actually going to yield almost 3 times that. Okay, so again, I didn't do anything to the double. It appreciated naturally because I bought right, because I bought in the right neighborhood. I saw the signs. I saw the 30+ signs of gentrification that I teach about, right? And I bought right where that was going to happen, and I got this one right. And so now I get to benefit from that appreciation without it taking any additional money out of my pocket. I get to use that appreciation to buy something bigger and better. So this is the name of the game, y'all, and I want to teach it to you. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do this, you want to learn how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. Periodically I do a free webinar where I just give you the game. I show you exactly how to do what I've done. I've done this in a pretty short amount of time. This is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? But in 6 years I built a significant real estate portfolio, and I can show you exactly how to do the same thing. Okay, so again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. About to go in here, sign this paperwork, do this 1031 exchange, and then apply all that money towards the next property that I'm trading up into. All right, hope you're well. Wish you the best, and go ahead and sign up for the webinar. Much love. Peace.